intelligent. So this is how it looks after plowing. The reason why we haven't dug till the end is because when it's raining, water comes from the other side. It can pass here, going out. Yeah. Morris, mambo? Mbona hawakutoa nini stamp? Hiyo si walikuwa watoi mizizi. So, lazima tutatoa.
Lazima?
Ndio
walisema hiyo nini ya kutoa ni tofauti. Ya kutoa mizizi nini?
Pesa ya kutoa mzizi ni tofauti. Wataitisha pesa ingine. Kikweli. Hapo mahali padogo hivyo. Wanakula hiyo pesa. Huyu ni dadangu anaitwa Chero.
Okay.
Hapo wanakulaje hiyo pesa?
Hapo? Walisema mizizi zimejaa hapo. Hiyo kitu inatakana tutolewe kitu yao.
Wachimbe na watoe.
Maga. Inaweza? Inaweza.
Watoe wachimbe. Yaani nataka ikue tu kama hapa tu.
Ikue tu. Siko kuna miti zingine.
Hii ndio inapimana na ile. Hauwezi pima hii. Yeah, I think ni ya huku kwa siri or something. The corruption. Sasa, Morris.
Yes.
Kama mvua bado haijashika, wezi kuja kugonga hizi nyasi watoe? Wakuja wang'oe. Juu ninaona mchanga ni rahisi. Sasa ni rahisi.
Inakatika. Hii sasa inakatika.
Yeah guys, as you're seeing here, I was just going around to see how the land is right now. And as you're seeing this grass that is on top of the soil, I want to do away with it because that is indigenous grass. I don't want it to grow back when I'm doing any kind of crop. So yeah, a friend of mine advised me not to spray chemical on the land, even though I was thinking of doing that. My sister had advised a brand, but also we have a friend who said, no, don't use chemical. You need to use vinegar mixed with water and salt, then spray, and that will kill the grass. I don't know, let me know if you've ever tried this. I think I want to try the vinegar salt and then see if it will kill the grass and just leave the soil be, so that I can be preparing the rows to plant. I want to do beans here, yeah, because I love beans. I love beans, guys. Guys, I'm super lucky to have amazing neighbors. They are all welcoming me in this neighborhood and they are telling me what to do to the land. And the guy you're seeing with a navy blue t-shirt beside here is an engineer and a neighbor also, who is also helping me do 1, 2, 3 in this land. And I'm super grateful for the spirit of neighborhood. You know, when you buy a property and you get welcoming neighbors who are willing to help you where you don't know what to do, that is an amazing thing. And I'm super blessed, and I love God for blessing me with these amazing neighbors.
Mambo ya mvua vile iko na dawa. Hata kesho.
Iko kwa Agrovet, si 250 ml inatosha hii. Hii ni kadogo. Unanunua hiyo ni 250 bob. Ama inakuanga ngapi? Lita ni 900 nusu. Ni around 250. Si ndio?
Around 250.
Si lita ni 900. Sasa hapa haitaki lita moja. Hapa inataka quarter.
Hapa inataka quarter. Kuna mahali wanauza hapa Amex.
Sawa.
Naomba ndipo hii hapa.
Hapo.
Unajua hapo?
Najua.
Hapo sasa tukishanunuliwa.
Tutapangana tu kwa simu. Chero atakwenda kwa.
Tutapangana, Chero ataniambia. Then tutakuwa akiniambia chenye inatakana tunaendelea. Kama tutaanzia hicho ni sawa, kama tutaanzia kisima
tuanzie kisima
ni sawa.
Maji unajua ni important. Hata tuseme nikianza na hiyo ka garden hivi
inataka maji. Inataka maji. Ni sawa. Sasa tukatakate hii nini? Hii shamba ikae mzuri. Tupande hiyo mamiti.
Na hii mastamp itoke kwanza. Na ispray iwe.
Yes.
Hiyo ndo kazi tumewaachana. Alafu sasa wewe tupange siku gani ndo poa ya kisima.
Ya kisima.
Chain link itakuja na nini? Itakuja na hizo miti. This is the planting season in Uasin Gishu. We are coming live from Eldoret City, and if you already know, here we do a lot of plowing with tractors. We don't use manual hard work like this. We use tractor because most of the land are so vast, and they need to bring the soil up. What do you call that? Plowing. And here is my sister. Hi. Say hello to people.
Hi people.
Yeah, we are in the shamba. So guys, tell me in the comment section, in your region, are you guys doing plowing? Because this is the season where, especially in Kenya, I can say Kenya, let's say 50 or 70% people are doing their plowing right now. So yeah, keep watching. Subscribe, comment and share as you continue watching my project in Eldoret. Yeah, guys, I'm still in Eldoret, super busy, and we are on the shamba. We are in the shamba, guys. We are in the shamba with my sister. So there's some land our parents gave us to plow. It's not our inheritance. We're just using it, making it look busy because it's just on the road, as you can see. So we are doing some plowing. I just left my other place because now my sister will be my manager on the other side. Yeah, so also here we have to bring another truck that is doing some plowing, but we have done plowing 2 times instead of us doing the arrow. If you are a farmer, you understand, you know, if you want to do maybe something like wheat, we have to plow like this, and then you bring another truck, another machine that will do the arrowing, that will make the soil very, very fine. Yeah, after the soil is very fine, you leave it for some times, and then you can come and do the wheat. Apparently we want to do, I don't know if we do beans here. I don't know if my sister wants us to do beans here, but yeah, we're just making it ready. So girls power, this is what we do in Uasin Gishu. Yeah, this is Eldoret. We're coming live from Eldoret. Iko sawa?
iko sawa, but hii ni nyasi, hii sangara hii. Lakini haiko mbaya.
Ona? Iko sawa? Yeah. So here we do some testing for them before they give you a prize. They'll do some testing. So he has done one row. You see? So he's saying he is doing the next one. You see? So for him to determine how much he's going to charge us, yeah, that's what happened here. Now we can't bring our tractor from the village there in Nandi to come all the way to Eldoret city. Yeah, this is in Eldoret, just around Jamboni. If you come from Eldoret, we are around Jamboni, and we also have to do some little gutters here just to make the water go out like this. The water will go and pour, and that's what we do things. This is how we do things here. So we're just waiting. If we decide to put beans here, it will be 2 seasons. If we decide to put, I don't know, I am thinking we do beans and then we enhance the fence. Yeah. So guys, we'll be here for some times. Subscribe, comment and share, and yeah, tell me what are you doing in your village, what are you doing at your home. But I think it's a good thing because agriculture is the backbone of any country. It's good you look for a land, you hire, or maybe you ask your parents to give you something, you can use it to plow, and maybe, yeah, and let's build this country together. So we are super excited. This is what we are doing. Yeah. So the truck is coming. Let me show you what he's doing. Anaweza fanya yote sai. Huku na huko chini. Huyu. We're trying to negotiate. If he does very well here, we give him another place, the same size of land, so that he can also help us plow that one. Yeah, we only have like a month to finish up everything and make sure all the seeds are in. Yeah, maybe when I come back next time, I'll be showing you the progress, what we decided to put here on the other side. Naona tu iko sawa. Iko sawa.
Iko sawa.
Ni hapa.
Sasa ndio naambia huyu. Hii nyasi imeshika chini sana.
Hapa tunaweka hata.
Sasa niendelee.
Sasa tuambie bei.
Bei yenu.
Wewe sema. Wewe ndio unatuambia yako, alafu tuone kama tunafika ama tufiki. Kwa sababu tuko na ya pili, tunataka kukurudisha hapo chini. Na nataka nikupe nyingine
hapo chini.
Ya kupindua ama ya kupindua?
Ya kupindua tu.
Ni madona hivi.
Tufanyie bei poa. We're trying to negotiate. See, like here he needs to repeat, but you can see here I love when the sand is super fine like this. I love it when it's super fine like this. Yeah.
ukisikia njaa senta ni hapa tu. Hata hapa. Asante. So guys, we are leaving. We have agreed, we've made a deal. So we are saying bye bye. Tell them bye. Chero, say bye bye to the camera. Bye bye. See you on our next video.